As you all know, planting a new tree or plant is important. Equally important is having knowledge about them, their benefits, properties, and details. We can't just go through all the books and encyclopedias, so to make your job easier. Introducing the plant classifier, made in Python language. This project classifies plants using their images and provides information such as their description, benefits, and properties. This is the block diagram of Plant Classifier project. At its core are four main components. Key components include essential files like the train model, prediction script, evaluation module, and class mappings. The CNN model uses ResNet50 for feature extraction and accurate classification. The web interface allows users to upload images, which are then pre-processed for analysis. Finally, the dataset contains 40 plant species, ensuring robustness and diversity in prediction. Let's just have a look at the flowchart of the project. The process starts when the user clicks on the Upload Image button to submit a photo of a plant. Once the image is uploaded, the system moves to the Identify Plant stage, where it uses machine learning to analyze the image and recognize the plant species. After identification, two results are displayed simultaneously. First, the Display Plant Name block shows the recognized name of the plant. Second, the Display Confidence Level block presents how confident the system is about its prediction, giving users an idea of its accuracy. Finally, the process reaches the Retrieve Medical Information step, where the system fetches and shows important medicinal details about the identified plant, helping users understand its benefits and uses. Project setup. The necessary components for this setup are Python for basic structure, VS Code for workplace, and the Python libraries necessary to run the entire code. Let's move on to the working of this project. In this project, we have developed two Python files. We integrated a database to help train the model. After downloading the project files, running the code launches the plant classifier interface. Here, by clicking the upload option, users can upload any plant image. The AI system then analyzes the image, identifies the plant, and provides its description, benefits, and properties. Here are some insights of the project. First, we have the main interface, which appears when the code is executed. Then, there's an About window that provides useful information and background knowledge. Finally, we have the Output window where the results are displayed.